In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update n8n Docker container. By the end, you'll confidently pull the latest n8n image and restart your container without losing any workflows or settings. First, open your terminal application. This can be terminal on macOS or Linux or PowerShell on Windows. We'll start by moving into the folder that contains your n8n Docker setup, specifically the directory with your docker compose.iml file. Type the change directory command, followed by the path to that folder. For example, cd/path to your n8n/folder. Replace that placeholder with the actual path on your machine. Being in the right directory ensures Docker Compose knows exactly which services and configuration to use when we update. With your terminal pointed at the n8n project folder, the next step is to fetch the newest image from Docker Hub. Do that by running docker compose pull. This command contacts Docker Hub and downloads the latest image versions defined in your compose file. If your configuration pins a specific version tag, it will pull the newest build for that tag. You'll see progress bars while layers download. That's normal. This pull does not interrupt a running container by itself. It simply prepares the new image so your service can be recreated with it. Once the download completes, it's time to run the updated image. We'll restart your container so Docker can seamlessly swap in the new version while keeping your data intact. Run docker compose up.d. The D flag starts everything in the background, which is helpful for servers and keeps your terminal free. Docker Compose will compare what's running with what's defined in your file, recreate the n8n container if the image changed, and reuse your existing environment variables and mounted volumes. That's why your workflows, credentials, and other persistent data remain safe through the update, assuming you've configured volumes as recommended. Give it a moment to start. During this phase, n8n boots with the new image, applies any necessary migrations, and becomes available just as before. If your machine is resource constrained, allow a little extra time for the service to come up cleanly. After that, you're done. The update is complete. To recap the process you just followed, you navigated to your n8n project directory, pulled the latest image with docker compose pull, and restarted the service with docker compose up.d so Docker could replace the old container with the new one, preserving your workflows. This simple routine keeps your self-hosted n8n secure, current, and running smoothly with minimal downtime.